What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Shortline Rail Fanner channel here on the hot rails of the Kiamichi Railroad. Look what we have coming down the line. A BNSF grain train, either the grain train or the Kiamichi train. I don't know which one. We're in Garvin, Oklahoma right now. It is 11:14. I think it's the grain train because we heard them. It is. I was just trying to make you guys think it wasn't. All right, here we go. Also, people been passing here calling us words and stuff, so I don't appreciate that, guys. Woo! Come on, BNSF. That sure is BNSF. There's my mom and my sister. Thought my buddy Marshall would come out here from that way because he's at Golden and Broken Bow seeing the Queen boys. Well, I'm seeing BNSF boys. Woo! They gonna activate? I think I got a real fed honk. Oh yeah, guys, Freddy's on this one, I think. Yeah, Freddy's on this one. Ding, 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 ding. Maybe was sitting at the Weyerhaeuser mill. I'll put a few pictures of them sitting at the Weyerhaeuser mill right here, all on the screen. One right here, one right here. It'll just be done in editing. Okay, it's now 11:17. 11:17. Sorry about that. Speed, but it's a here and there speed. It's like 15, 10. run about 10 or 15 for Garvin. I think they do 20 for Garvin. Freddie is finally on this grain train. It's no longer DPUs right now. Ding, 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 dong, ding, ding, ding. It's a long grain train though. About the usual length of a grain train from BNSF. This video will be long, just letting you guys know that. There will be some other cars that are not from BNSF in here. It's grain, but it is like in the 60s right now. It is cold. So this is why they're running it. Because a storm rolled in and cooled us off for the night. So you'll see those. BNSF 473646. Mosquitoes are bad right now. That's why I'm itching. Well, guys, caught about 3 of these grain trains. I mean, I enjoy it, don't get me wrong, but it's hard to catch them. They came through last night at 4 o'clock in the morning, and then they parked this train at the mill, I guess, last night. They went home. Like I said earlier, I had pictures pop up of them at the mill, so yeah. And I also got a rail fan honk. I got one bump. Man. Like I said, they're always long. But Freddie's on this one, so it's not as long. So Freddie finally put on there no DPUs, 3 engines at the front. It's about probably at least 50 cars long, longer than commission. My Bubba's missing it. He's in, like I said, he's catching the Queen over there in Broken Bow. But I am still sweating because it's hot, a little bit hot. 60 to 65 degrees. Traffic's not too bad. See, that Highway 70's not busy. Ding, 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 ding. There's towards the end. There's that car. There's about 3 more cars left, I think. A few more. Freddie, BNSF Freddie's on the BNSF car. There's a graffiti car. Ding, 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 ding. I bet there's still a Charlie's Crossing, so. Ding, 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 bang, ding, 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 ding. A-OK and CEFX. I see Freddie! BNS Freddie! Here comes BNS Freddie! BNSF Freddie! Here he comes. There he is. And there they go. No DPUs. There goes Freddie. Ready? Well guys, thank you guys for watching this amazing grain train roll through Garvin, Oklahoma. Remember safety tips that we've told you in the past and all that. Go subscribe to Marshall, Rail Fan, JDD Trains, and all those amazing people, Jawtooth and everything. Go subscribe to them and catch you guys in the next video, which will be tomorrow. Or not tomorrow, Sunday. Catch you guys then. Bye.